Hello. Question 42. If 9b take away 12 equals 7b plus 4, what does b equal? And they give us some suggested numbers. I love these questions. They're great. They're absolutely great. So let's get out our pen and get working. Now I'm going to show you two ways. The way that I most prefer, because I want to share it with you. It's just brilliant. 7b equals 7b plus 4. Right, there's an old sort of idiom, change the side, change the sign, which I quite like. So we want to gather up all the b's, so it goes b equals a number. So let's shove this one over there, and so instead of being plus 7b, it becomes minus 7b. And then we also want to move this over onto this side, so instead of being minus 12, it becomes plus 12 when it's on this side here. Why do we do this? But I mean, it's worth remembering. Change the side, change the sign, because it's just nice to say, isn't it? But what we're really doing is, if you've got a pair of scales like this, and you put a bag of flour on there, to make it weigh the same, to balance, which is a phrase that we use in this sort of kind of equation, equation equals, we have to put another bag on this side, don't we? There it goes. And now it balances. And then if I put a tomato on this side, boop, it goes heavier again. To make it balance, I either need to take that tomato off, and it balances, or I've got to spit it back on now, haven't it? There we are. It's heavy. Put another tomato on that side. Doesn't matter what you do. I could put a tractor on this side, and then I have to put a tractor on that side. I take the bag of flour off, so that now comes lighter, and then I have to take the bag of flour off that side, and it becomes the same. You've got to do the same to both sides. That's all you have to do. That's what you really do. I like saying change the side, change the sign. So 9b, change the side, change the sign, becomes minus 7b equals, that's left us with 4 here. And then instead of this being minus 12, we move it over to this side, so it becomes plus 12. Let's have a bit of a tidy up. 9 bananas take away 7 bananas equals 2 bananas. 4 plus 12 equals 16. If 2 bananas cost 16p, 1 banana costs 8p. So that was fun, wasn't it? Supposing you're not feeling the groove, we all get that feeling, you can just go through these numbers one by one and see if it works. So we'll start, let's try, which one do you want? Okay, we'll do 6 because my pen's pointing there. 9b, so we're going to pretend that all the b's are 6. 9 times 6, let's get a bigger pen. So, okay, 9 times 6 is, what's 9 times 6? 54. Take away 12 equals, hang on. So 9 times 6, I'm going to write this here. Because it's bigger. And then I'm going to get a nice sort of, there we are. 9 times 6 is 54. Take away 12 is 42. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4 is 46. Does 42 equal 46? No. So it can't be 6. Let's try 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Take away 12 is 51. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 4 is 53. Does 51 equal 53? No, it doesn't. Now let's see what happens when we try 8. Let's hope it works, because we know that 8's the answer over here, don't we? 9 times 8 is 72. Take away 12 is 60. And then 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. Does 60 equal 60? Yes, it does. So that's our answer. Do you want to try these two as well? Okay, let's give it a go. 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Take away 12. Hang on. 81. I know I should be able to do it in my head, but there's no point in getting it wrong and thinking, yeah, I could have got it right. 9, 69. Sounds about right, doesn't it? So 69. 7 times 9 is 63. Is that right to you? 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 4 is 67. Does 69 equal 67? No, it doesn't, so it's not 9. Let's try 5. See what happens with 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Take away 12 is 33. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 4 is 39. Does 33 equal 39? No, it doesn't. So it's not that. So you can choose that. That's the substitution method. Half the time it will be in the first half. Half the time it will be in the second half. 20% of the time you'll be lucky. It'll be the first one you try. 20% of the time it'll be the last one you try. So I prefer doing it this way. It's fun. But enjoy them. Enjoy them. Why not?